There's a lot going on in juveniles. The big thing, one of the first things was Prop 57. And what that required is that the referee in juvenile court make a determination that a child can be tried as an adult. Prior to that, we in California passed what would be called a direct file law, which the district attorneys had the sole judgment of whether a juvenile who's charged with a serious or violent felony can be tried as an adult. And that could be anything, as a juvenile. So you 15-year-old, 14-year-old, murder, robbery, gang-related stuff, you can be tried as an adult, and it's only the district attorney who decides that. So what has happened with Prop 57 is required the courts to send you back to juvenile hall if you're being tried as an adult and actually get a determination from a juvenile judge that you are fit to be tried as an adult. Now, it becomes sort of a kangaroo court in a way, meaning judges are going to just follow what the prosecutor says about the dangerousness of the crime. The prosecutors are usually not going to fight unless it's a homicide, attempted homicide, something like that. Lots of robberies with guns. So they're going to be sure that they can at least say, hey, judge, this is a violent kid and he's doing violent things. And that's why he should be tried as an adult. He has a record. He has no family. He has all this. So they'll stack that stuff up. But for other kids who fall into there and they don't have that history, Prop 57 is great. Now, it's also great because, again, if I had been tried as an adult and my appeal is not over with yet, it may come back so that I have a juvenile judge determine whether I should have been tried as an adult in the first place. So it gives you a shot, to come back as a juvenile and be really recognized for what is true, which is that until you hit the age of 26 or 25, your brain is not fully developed and you do juvenile things. And 14, 15, 16-year-olds fall susceptible to older individuals because they want to be somebody. So that is one of the first ones that's good. Probably one that's even better that affected me, AB 1391. And what that said is that if you were 15 years of age or under, you must be tried as a juvenile.
That's what I was going to ask you.
Yes.
What is the age considered?
Yes. So if it's 16 or over, you can be tried as an adult. However, Prop 57 kicks in. If you're 15 and under, you will never be tried as an adult. And you can only go to the Juvenile Justice Center.
Wow.
JJC. So it happens that law saves 15-year-olds who are tried with or are charged with murder, serious felonies, where they can get a life offense, kidnap. Lots of things can give you a life offense now. And I've had that happen in one of my cases where my guy was looking at 75, 80 to life. And pretty much he was the only 15-year-old in a group of people who were charged, and he got to come back and is just doing juvenile justice.
Wow.
So
I know you got a story and you just don't want